So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire Gallery Ice Maker arm stuck up. Release, align and sensor reset guide. Fix 1 is remove and inspect the ice bin. Carefully pull out the ice storage bin from the freezer. Check for clumps or ice or frost buildup under the behind the ice maker. Use warm water or a warm damp cloth to melt any frost blocking the feeler arm. Avoid using sharp tool or forcing the arm down to prevent damage to internal motor gears. Second fix is manually reset the ice maker. Locate the power switch on the side or bottom of the ice maker to turn it off. Wait for 5 seconds before flipping the switch back on. If applicable, press and hold the reset button for 5 seconds. Manually cycle the feeler arm up and down several times to engage test mode. This process helps the arm lock back into its proper operation position. Third fix is check the water line and fill tube. Inspect the fill tube or ice blockage at the spout entering the ice tray. Thaw a frozen fill tube using a hair dryer on low heat for 10 to 5 minutes. Check the water filter for clogs or age-related issue. Ensure the water filter is securely seated in its compartment. Replace the water filter if it's older than 6 months to maintain proper water pressure. Fourth fix is perform a full system reset. Unplug the refrigerator to turn off the circuit breaker for 5 minutes to reset the main control board. Restore power by plugging the refrigerator back in. Listen for the ice maker to initialize after restoring power. Thanks for watching.